How many people can watch YouTube TV at once? The number of people who can watch YouTube TV depends on the plan you have to subscribe. You can use YouTube TV on up to 3 devices if you subscribe to the base plan. These devices can be mix of computers, smartphones, tablets, and streaming devices. If you want to remove the 3 device limit and enjoy unlimited service, upgrade your base plan to 4K Plus. Along with eliminating the device limit, the 4K Plus provides 4K video support and the ability to watch content offline. However, YouTube TV offers a family sharing feature, which allows you to share your subscription with up to 6 household members. Each member gets their own login credentials and DVR library. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.